I think the government has some egg on its face over it because they're pretending they didn't know about it. And of course, that's just rubbish because there's very little going on. So a major event like that in Negril must have been known to the government. The truth is that they have been quietly trying to facilitate the tourism industry, which I understand. But I just think the way in which entertainment events have been treated locally versus foreigners is just not right. We can't have the law with this double standard. Youths on the street are being held and arrested and charged for breaching these disaster risk management act orders in their own land, and that foreigners can come here and do the exact same thing without any problems whatsoever. It is the lack of equal treatment under the law that bothers me, because people feel frustrated and even resentful when they know that they have been impacted so hard in terms of their access to entertainment, or indeed the entertainment industry that makes a living out of providing entertainment has been shut down effectively because of the over a year of curfews and so on. People have lost their livelihoods, people have had to migrate, it's been very disruptive. And then you see that foreigners can come here and party to their heart's content